Welcome aboard the beautiful new Jeanneau 2024 Sun Odyssey 380, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. Designed with performance in mind, the Sun Odyssey 380 features a powerful hull with a long, graceful waterline, delivering an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate. A large cockpit with twin wheels designed to give excellent ease of movement, not just around the cockpit, but also access to the side decks. Maneuvering, anchoring, and docking are simplified and effortless, with bow thruster and windlass controls at the helm, along with Raymarine chart plotters at each helm. The large center table is easy to move around, both open and closed, and has handrails that are easy to reach and adds to the security of this vessel. Control arms are led back to the cockpit to an easily accessed and controlled electric winch. The Sun Odyssey boasts an unobstructed commanding view from the cockpit. The walk-around deck features an open path from the cockpit to the side decks, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the cockpit forward. The high-aspect Sheldon mast with in-mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass and the handheld controller, which is all stored safely below a deck hatch. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with wide, easy companionway steps. Once below, you are greeted with a bright and open interior. With a variety of available cabin configurations, the Sun Odyssey 380 features a traditional layout in a contemporary style. The large salon is comfortable and accommodating and has been designed to maximize the space with folding leaves on the table, excellent storage, and a navigation station. This navigation station design allows you to utilize the end of the settee for desk seating, which lifts up to access even more storage. The L-shaped galley offers a double basin sink, 2-burner stove on a gimbal, and a large, easy-to-access refrigerator. There is ample counter space, and a fiddle is fitted to the counter edge for security in a seaway. This vessel boasts a large and very functional head that is right off the salon, a beautiful sink, and an electric head. Separate of the head is a large walk-in shower that is surprisingly roomy for a boat of this size range. The large, comfortable V-berth has easy access to the bed and a significant amount of storage and stand-up closets both on the port and starboard side of the cabin. This cabin has multiple hatches and ports, allowing copious amounts of light tanner and an amazing view from the cabin. The large aft cabin is a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. Just like the rest of the boat, there are beautiful and handy light fixtures and plugs that feature USB charging for your electronic devices. For owners or guests, this is the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or day sailing, the Sun Odyssey 380 strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view the Sun Odyssey 380, contact Little Yacht Sales.